Here's a misconception. You do not have to have expensive tutoring programs to get a great score on the SAT. I didn't. I couldn't afford it. But I knew I needed an awesome score to get into a top engineering school. So I devised a way that enabled me to get a 780 on the math, all for free. And I'm going to share that with you in this guide. I'm Renan De Souza. I'm an Ivy League grad that has scored a perfect 800 on the SAT math 10 times. That's right, 10 times. And because of my experience with the exam coupled with over 8 years of teaching, in the last 3 years, we've helped hundreds of students improve their SAT scores in virtual group tutoring. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Why would a guy with a tutoring company give away how to do it without him for free? It's simple, really. Our mission is to help turn math stumbling blocks into stepping stones. We want everyone to be able to achieve their goals without math getting in the way. And the reality is, the process I'm about to share with you isn't going to be for everyone. It's a lot of work and requires some uncomfortable sacrifices. The whole reason I made Piece of Pie was so I could create an environment and resources that made it easier for kids to get the scores they want and need. But I know that our program isn't for everyone either. So that's why I'm putting out this process so that everyone can have at least some guidance on what it takes and what they can do to boost their score on the math section by 100 points or more, like I did when I was in high school. I've broken this guide up into the big steps that you need to take based on how I was able to crush the SAT many years ago. Keep in mind, however, some things have changed with the test since I got my 780 back in 2009. So I've made some notes and suggestions on how you can adapt that process where necessary. Ultimately, you can skip around to the sections that make the most sense, but you get the most out of this process if you implement it from start to finish.